Sorry, yeah. See, doing things on the fly all the time. Welcome back, everybody. Been a good day. Part five of the Opel Manta. Nearly said Astra then.
A little bit warmer.
Bit warmer today, still cold. Sorry about the delay in the Manta videos, but we've had other car issues, shall we say.
Yes. Poor Astra.
Poor Astra. As you've seen from the soft top video, we've been cleaning that. That's looking fantastic. And then we're going to do some stuff to it, but it's another story for another day. So we get back to the Manta. So we're going to do a before and an after clean, because the weather's still not great and we're going to be losing light soon. So we're going to do a clean. So we've done the before and we'll show you the after. So if you have a look around the engine bay, you can see it's just got...
We had a very brief go here, didn't we? But we're going to clean it. This is not a restoration as such. We're just cleaning it up. We're getting it running again, and then we can problem solve as we're getting it towards getting it back on the road. And it needs a little bit of welding as well, etc. So it's not restoration. It's more like a sort of rolling restoration. Sort of let's get it just going again because I'm bored of looking at it. And then we'll see where we go from there. But before we get the engine back in, it's obviously worth doing a engine bay clean, and hopefully we'll have a good assault today. That'll be that. Then we can get the gearbox out, mate it back up to the engine, and get the whole thing in as a wanna.
Hopefully. So yeah, we need to make a start. We've been sort of in and out with problems. We'll explain that in another video anyway, but yeah. So we're going to do a clean. We've got some
All sorts of stuff.
all-purpose wipes. These are...
They're really good, aren't they?
They're absolutely brilliant. Love
We
them.
got rags.
And we're good to go.
I'll put them on here.
Yeah, I had a bit of an accident in the BMW when it was raining, so unfortunately the window was left down and it rained.
It's moist, isn't it?
It got moist, so we've used some rags. So that's where we got the rags from. So yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
It's just by looking at it.
Yeah, it's always the way. Right guys, we're back. We've just spent, I'd say about 45 minutes to an hour giving it a good old wipe down and clean. So I'm just going around it. As you can see, it is looking very, very good. Took the battery out, moved the battery. Look,
Nice solid battery tray.
yeah, it's had a bit of rust prevention on it, which has saved it, we think, because apparently notorious to go there. We've done all around in. Looking at all these like heater matrix and that, it does look like it's still dirty, but that is just probably discolorization actually, to be fair, from the age. But looking around all the wheel arches and all this, looks so much cleaner. So yeah, we've had a really good job. So as you can see, my favourite saying. So yeah, looking loads better. What you happy, Sam?
Yeah, it was never going to be like brand new, was it?
No.
We're not restoring it, we're just cleaning it up as much as we can. And then we'll get the engine back in and hopefully it'll work.
Yeah, looking at like the bonnet as well, we've given that all a good wipe down. Looks loads better, loads and loads better. So yeah, cool. Yeah, like Sam said, then we say restoration. It's not a full restoration. This car needs to run. We need to get it to run and stop, which is the main purpose of it. And then I think in the future, Sam's going to do a full restoration. But while you've got the engine out, while you've got the time, why not give it a clean? It's really good, finding any bits wrong, finding any bits of sort of massive care and attention maybe needed. But to be fair, I mean, what, 33-year-old and
Yeah.
amazing,
86 as well.
amazing for this car, unbelievable. Cannot believe how good it is.
There's not much on it at all.
No, it does. It just looks fantastic. I mean,
Engine sorted and the brakes sorted, and I think it would go for an MOT, to be honest. It's dead solid underneath. There is a little bit down there which I might have to get done for an MOT. and then maybe 2-3 years down the line, get a bit of use out of it.
Yeah.
And strip it all down completely, and then get it down to a bare shell and do it.
Happy days. Right, we'll carry on for a bit and we'll see how we get on. Cool, so that's us done. We've spent about an hour on it. Looks at, oh wow, there's an actual shine on the underside of your body.
Nice.
You can actually see in the camera. Nice. So yeah, all done, all the wheel arches, all in the like nooks and cranny parts to get hold of, under the lights and things. Oh, the battery box. All down here, as you can see now, looks 1,000 times better. 1,000 times better. So here's a before, and there's an after. So I don't know, yeah, like we said before, at the halfway point it was a little bit discolored. Excuse me, I got a cough. A little bit discoloured there, but it looks so much better. You can see down here, look, where Sam's got all the crud. There was just years and years of crud.
There still is some crud left as well.
But yeah, now the thing is, like you say, we was daft not to do it. The engine, we're now happy, so the next stage will be to drop the gearbox. We're just trying to work out when we're going to get a chance to do it, because the weather's not been good to us. And positive was on that one, yeah. Negative was that side. So yeah, the weather's not been great to us. No, don't worry.
That is the negative.
What is that one?
That's negative.
Oh yeah, that's sorry, yeah. See, doing things on the fly all the time. There we go. It's just popping the battery back in. So yeah, that was a before and the after. It's now a case of mechanicals, and then it'll be a case of rebuilding as quick as we can, because like Sam said earlier, we want to get this done now, so we can use it. So next video, when we get the chance, part 6 will be dropping the gearbox. We just need to plan a day in to do it, so we'll get it done as quick as we can. Drop the gearbox and we'll put everything back together, slam it in. Once we've got the engine running, we'll make sure she runs, and then it'll be a case of brakes. So I'll probably roll the car out, and then we'll work on the brake system. He's got all new bits, so the car will run and it'll stop. Happy days. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks to you guys who've already subscribed and watched our videos. Like you've seen, we're not brilliant, but we just keep cracking on with it. And yeah, it's just fun and games for us. I'll see you later, Sam.